Me time, unpacking the meaning. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have heard but maybe aren't quite sure about. Me time. This is a common phrase in English, and understanding it can add depth to your conversational skills. So let's get started. Me time is a colloquial phrase used to describe a period of time where someone focuses on themselves. It's when you take a break from your daily responsibilities and do something that makes you happy and relaxed. Think of it as recharging your batteries, but emotionally and mentally. It's all about self-care and giving yourself a break. In our busy lives, it's easy to forget about ourselves. We often prioritize work, family, and other commitments. However, taking time for oneself is crucial for mental well-being and stress relief. It can help you 1. Recharge and refresh. 2. Reflect and understand oneself better. 3. Prevent burnout. Everyone's me time is different. Here are some examples to give you an idea. 1. Reading a book in a quiet room. 2. Taking a long, relaxing bath. 3. Going for a walk in nature. 4. Practicing meditation or yoga. 5. Listening to your favorite music without any interruptions. Remember, me time is personal. It's whatever activity makes you feel good and relaxed. Let's see how you can use this phrase in daily conversations. 1. I've had a hectic week, so I'm taking some me time this weekend. 2. You seem stressed. Maybe you should consider setting aside some me time. 3. Every evening, I dedicate an hour as my me time to read. And there you have it. Me time is all about taking a moment for yourself in this busy world. It's not selfish, it's necessary. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the importance of me time. Always remember, it's okay to take a step back and breathe. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.